So what does mean by material master? This is the enterprise main source of material specific data. This data will include information on the materials that a company can procure or produce, store or sell. Since there are different departments in an enterprise and each department works on some specific material, they will enter different information regarding their material. So each user department has its own view of the material master record. The data screen that are used to create material master can be divided into two categories. The first one is main data. This will include the basic data like base unit of measure, weight, and then purchasing data like over tolerance and then under tolerance, and then accounting data like standard price, moving price, everything. So these all the data coming under main data. Another one is additional data. This will include additional information like a short description about material and then currency, etc. So these are all the standard view in our SAP system, material master view. So basic data, under the basic data we can give the information about the basic material, base unit of measure like a material group. So everything coming under basic data. And then purchasing view, under the purchasing view we can select the purchasing group, MRP, sales, plant and storage location, accounting, warehouse, work scheduling, quality, forecasting, classification. So these are all the views coming under our material master. So these are all the important views in our material master. Now we are going to create the material master. For that, enter the T code /n mm01, enter, select industry sector which we created, manufacturing Q002, and then select the first raw material type Q002. So after that, select views. Here we need to select basic data 1, purchasing, and then general plan data, storage 1, accounting. So here we need to select organization levels. Here we can enter our plant QP01 and then enter our storage location QS01 for raw material and then continue. Here we need to enter the description. So see here, the material number will generate based on our number range configuration automatically. Here enter the description. I am going to enter the material bolt and then enter the base unit of measure. See here, once we tick, this tick mark is mandatory option. Without this option we cannot go further. So this mandatory option which we selected in the material master configuration, step number 1, maintain field reference. So here I am going to enter EA each, and then material group I am going to select our material group which we created. So where is our material group? QMG1 aluminum. So I am going to select steel QMG2. See here, our old material number here displayed based on our material master configuration, step number 1, maintain field reference. So after that, enter. Before entering that, we can give the material weight. Example 2 kg. Here unit I am going to enter the kg, or I am going to enter 200 gram. Weight unit we can fix gram, and then net weight, enter. The next view, purchasing view. Here we need to select our purchasing group which we created already. So what is our purchasing group? Q002 QPG. So this is our purchasing group. After that, enter system, go to plant and storage location view. Here already we mentioned plant and storage location earlier. So there is no mandatory option here. We can enter system, navigate to accounting one view. Here I am going to select my valuation class. After that, enter the price control. Yes, standard price. Here I am going to mention the per product value 100 rupees. Save the data. Material 200000336 has been saved. Now I am going to create the semi-finished material. Select industry sector, manufacturing Q002, material type, semi-finished product, semi-finished product Q002, select views, basic data, purchasing MRP 123, and then go down, select general plan data, storage 1, accounting 1. These are all the mandatory field, so I am going to select organization level, enter my plant and then storage location. Here I am going to change the storage location QS02, semi-finished storage location. Continue. Here enter the semi-finished material. For example, I am going to enter bolt assembly. Base unit of measure, I am going to enter EA. Material group, I am going to select QM G2 steel. Enter the cross weight for my material. Example, I am giving 300 gram. Net weight 270 gram. After that, enter. So here we need to select our purchasing group QPG. In semi-finished material, if the material is subcontract material, we need to give the purchasing group, or else the inline production we don't give purchasing group. Enter MRP1. We need to define MRP type. So I'm going to select no planning, because as of now we are not creating the MRP configuration. Now we can select ND, and then lot sizing procedure we can give EX. Enter MRP2. So the procurement type we need to ensure that X means both procurement type, internal or external. Here I am going to select E, which means in-house production, and then in-house production days I am going to give 2 days, and then enter MRP3. Here we need to select the strategy group. I am going to select 40, and then availability check. I am going to select KP. So here we need to select the material requirement is daily or individual or batches. So here I am going to check no check as of now, because we are not creating the MRP configuration. Then enter plant data, storage data. Here the plant and storage location which we given earlier. Enter. Go to accounting one view. Here I am going to select the valuation class 7910 is semi-finished valuation class, and then go to downside price control standard. Here I am going to mention the price 150 rupees per semi-assembly or sub-assembly product bolt assembly. I am going to give 170 rupees. Save the data. Now the semi-finished material 200000445 created. The material number generated based on our number range configuration against our material type. So system will generate automated material number. The next material type is finished good material type. We will create later on. So as of now, material master configuration for raw material, semi-finished or sub-assembly material has been completed. Thank you.